Welcome to La Sierra University Library's video tutorials. This video will demonstrate how to use the Gale Virtual Reference Library. The Gale Library contains hundreds of subject or specialized encyclopedias in areas like energy, crime, food, the Renaissance, and many more. They are a great place to start your research. To begin, go to the library webpage at www.lasierra.edu/library. Click on Journal Articles and Databases. If you are not on the main La Sierra University campus when searching, you will be prompted for your My Campus user ID and password. You should then be on the Journal Databases page. Click on the Gale Virtual Reference Library in the upper right-hand corner. Let's do a search for Cesar Chavez, the famous advocate for migrant worker rights. You can see that the Gale Virtual Reference Library gives you suggestions as to what you might type in. Sometimes those are helpful, but let's ignore those for now by simply clicking outside the box and click on Search. You can now pick the encyclopedia articles that look good to you and email them to yourself. Look carefully and notice the articles come from different encyclopedias. Depending on the emphasis of the encyclopedia, you will see your topic through different lenses or viewpoints. The first encyclopedia is the Encyclopedia of World Biography. The second, the International Encyclopedia of the Social Sciences. The third, St. James Encyclopedia of Popular Culture. If you're not sure if the article is useful to you, open it up and read it by clicking on the title. If you like it, save it. Continue looking through your search results, evaluating and selecting articles. Once you've saved the articles you like, click on More. You will see the articles you saved in My Folder. Click on My Folder. At this point, you can export to a citation tool, email, or print your articles. Today, we'll email. This does not have to be your campus email. We suggest you change the content option to PDF and make sure you pick the citation style your professor requires. The citations to your articles will be automatically formatted and shown at the end of the article, but be sure to check them for accuracy. Put a reminder about the content of the articles in the subject line so you remember what the email is about. And click Send. In seconds, you will have authoritative articles on Cesar Chavez waiting in your email box. If you want to do another search right away, you can remove the articles from the Chavez search by clicking on Remove All, or they will show up in any subsequent searches you do until you log out. Let's remove all and go back to Advanced Search. If you forget this step, you can always remove them later. Let's do a search with more than one term. Go back to Advanced Search and let's try Internet Addiction and Therapy. Pick keyword from the drop-down box. It's almost always a good idea to start with a keyword search. Another word for therapy might be treatment or counseling. Notice that I put an or in between the concepts that are roughly synonyms. They mean close to the same thing. The computer will search for all the different therapy concepts, then and those with internet addiction, and you'll get articles that contain both concepts. Click on Search. To scroll down the article, go back to search results, and continue to read, evaluate, save the articles that look good to you. Go to More, go to Folder, and Email. If you're interested in learning more important advanced search techniques, continue watching. What if you're not sure what to call the topic you're searching? Go back to Advanced Search and try a subject guide search. Subject searching versus keyword searching is an important search technique to know. Let's say you're writing a paper on hybrid cars, cars that run on both gas and electricity. Type hybrid cars into the search box and click on Search. Notice that the data called hybrid vehicles in this database. Hybrid vehicles could include other types of vehicles like trucks or motorcycles, and you would have missed those if you typed in just hybrid cars. Click on hybrid vehicles. The database gives you suggestions for related subjects, but for now, let's stick with hybrid vehicles. You can see that hybrid vehicles may be in a discussion of energy efficiency, electric vehicles, energy policy, or even hybrid transportation. Choose your articles. Go to More and My Folder and email them to yourself just like we did before. This is a very basic introduction to the Gale Virtual Reference Library. There are many more features to this powerful database. Librarians are eager to help via email, phone, or in person. We can help you decide on a topic, formulate the search, and point you to other resources that might be helpful. Thank you for watching, and remember, with great library power comes great responsibility.